get paid on YouTube is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Anyone who tries to make money on YouTube will quickly discover that it takes a lot of work to get started, and there's no guarantee that it will pay off. There are ways to make money on YouTube, however, if you're an avid video creator and willing to put in the extra effort. What is the purpose of the YouTube Affiliate Program? To earn money from YouTube, you must apply for and be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. It is required that your videos adhere to the site's advertising guidelines and have had more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months in order to qualify. You'll need a Google AdSense account to connect. So it pays to put effort into planning and production if you want to get more views on your videos. Ads, membership perks, and features such as Super Chat, which allows viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during a live stream, are all ways that you can make money as a partner. Creator support is also available through the YouTube Partner Program. You must connect your channel to Google AdSense, the company's advertising system, to be approved as a partner. On the basis of factors such as your audience, video topic, and relevant keywords, advertisers use AdSense to bid for space on videos on YouTube. It is common for advertisers to pay you for the number of impressions your videos receive, which refers to how many times someone clicks on or watches an advertisement. There is no way to make money from watching videos because there are no ads to be seen every time someone watches one. Approximately how much money is paid by YouTube per view? Please keep in mind that you will not be compensated for each video view that you receive. If someone watches or clicks on an ad on your video, you'll get paid. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, the average YouTube channel can expect to make about $18 per 1,000 ad views, despite the fact that payment varies. This equates to $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views, depending on the platform. In order to get paid on YouTube, how many views do you need? If so, when will you be able to start making money from your videos on YouTube? If so, when will you be able to start making money from your videos on YouTube? With those ads, you'd need 25,000 video views to make $100 in revenue. Some of that money should be set aside for taxes, as Google, which pays AdSense, may not deduct your entire tax obligation. AdSense isn't the only way for YouTube partners to make money. You can also upload videos to YouTube Premium, the site's ad-free subscription service, which allows you to remove ads from your videos. Profit from membership fees will be based on the number of times your videos are viewed. Interested companies in your channel's audience may sponsor your videos or offer you product placement deals in exchange for a shout out on your channel's channel page. Make sure you're willing to vouch for the company you're promoting before signing up with affiliate marketing sites such as ShareASale, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate. Your audience may be interested in your products or services if you mention them in your videos and provide links to them. Meetups and other similar events allow YouTubers to connect with their viewers and sell merchandise through the medium of YouTube. Maybe you teach viewers how to draw in one of your videos? You can offer free classes in your local park and sell your book of drawing techniques afterward.